What's up, guys? Brian, Callahan Garage here. So if you guys have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Wrangler or something like that, you may run into a problem where the AC blower stops working. So what I did is I went ahead and ordered all three. Now I used Amazon, so of course they're cheap parts. But we've got our blower motor, we've got our switches, and then we also have our, can't remember what that's called, resistor or whatever. So we're gonna change each one, see which one is actually broken in this truck, and then kind of show you how to change each one. It'll be a pretty quick video today. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Callahan Garage. So the first one we're going to change is going to go ahead and be the blower motor. Well, all I'm going to do is unplug that, and then it actually spins out once we pull a little clip off. So I'm going to pull it out, and then I'll show you what the little clip looks like. All right, so the blower motor takes no tools to take out. It has a little clip right here that you have to pull down. And all you do is spin it like this, and it pops right out. Super simple, super easy. The clip right here has a little red knob. You just move it to the right, and it clips right out. Literally no tools, takes 5 seconds. All right, so the new blower motor's in. That's that little red, so I can show it to you. So this little red tab, that's just what you have to push to be able to pop it out. And you have this little tab on the back. So you'll pull this down, and it slides right out. It really is not tough at all. All right, let's see if that works. All right, so we replaced the blower motor. Clearly not working. So let's go on to the next piece. All right, so next we're going to take out the resistor, which is going to be kind of down in here. You'll get to it from the bottom. It's going to be two 8mm screws. I'm pretty sure it's just easier to let's take the bolts out and then we'll unclip it. So let me get it out real quick and then I will show you. All right, so I got it out. I ended up breaking it a little bit to get it out of there because of the where it sits, and there's the cord for it. I used the 8 above here to get to the top one, and then just the other 8 down on the bottom. It's a pain in the butt to get it out, but it's not too terrible. So let me put the new one in, and then we'll start the truck, see if that works. But clearly this one's, rotted out. So let's get it replaced, see what happens. All right, it's in. That top screw, which is right, I don't know if y'all can see that. Right in there somewhere. I know it's hard to see. There it is. Way down the bottom. That's a pain in the ass, but once you get it in, like I said, out for that top one, I used a swivel and an 8mm. Let's see if I fixed it. Still no air. Next, we're going to play with that switch. All right, guys, so we replaced the resistor, blower motor, still nothing. Now we're going to go ahead and replace these controls. First thing I got to do is pop this up out of the way. There's usually 2 screws right back here. They're going to be Phillips. Phillips. Yep, Phillips. 1, 2. Pops off nice and easy. Those are the two Phillips screws right there. Let's move this to the back. Then we got 2 Phillips screws right here. it out. Got a little one clip here. Get it out. Let's try the other clips first. Double-sided clip. All right, this clip right here, and this one's gonna come out like that. And this one, I'm guessing, is gonna pop. That's it. This one's gonna pop back in here. Something is different. Nope, wrong way. So let's see. So we're gonna get these. Alright, so it's all popped in. And we have nothing. Let me go check the relay and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, well, I didn't forgot to put the blower motor connector back in, but now let's see what we got. Yep. Blowing like crazy. Well, that's it. Took us real time about 30 minutes. This ended up ultimately being the problem. The switch had gone bad. But by replacing the blower motor resistor and the blower motor, which is pretty tight in there, it's probably worn out, I was able to get the AC to work on high, low, medium, everything. I bought everything off Amazon for like 105 bucks. So super easy to do. You know, like I said, real time, 30 minutes. I don't think it's really not that difficult. This is literally pull the tab and slide it out. This is 4 screws, 2 screws on the top to pop it off, and then 2 screws in. This was 2 screws, but it was a pain in the butt because you couldn't get to the other one. So, and what I ended up doing again was using a swivel, and this is an 8mm to 8mm. This was nothing, and those were Phillips head. Thanks for watching Kyle Hand Garage. Make sure you like and subscribe. Throw that crap.